Hello everybody, this is Ankita here from Education State. Today I am here to talk about a very unconventional path in your career which you can choose for, and that's gaming. Yes, gaming is something which a lot of students these days are playing, but of course there's always a choice to also be in the part of this industry. To your surprise, today in the year of 2025, the industry is almost $320 billion, and you would not be aware about this, that it is said that by 2033 it's going to be almost $930 billion. So if you see, the growth rate is immense, and hence there are a lot of career opportunities lying here. So here you are listening to me for a very unconventional path, and that is the gaming industry. When I talk about gaming as a career path, of course, the first route is to introduce yourself to it, not just by playing, but actually studying what goes behind the game that you play. So in this case, I'm talking about students who want to study their masters or bachelors in gaming. What could be the possible job potentials after that? And what are the primary countries that you can look out for this industry? Saying this, let me first break down about what are you going to study if you're looking out to study a gaming course. You could do gaming at both the levels. You could go for a bachelor's and you could go at the master's level. When it comes to bachelor's and masters, the duration is of course different. So masters, you're typically going and studying about, say, the game development, which involves software engineering. It also involves the AR and VR, that is the augmented reality, the virtual reality, the words as you might know. It is the game design, so the creative aspect comes into it, and also the business side and the production side of the gaming. So it's a mix of all. So basically, it's a product which needs to be launched in the market, and hence it brings all the kind of things which you could think as a business setup. So this is about the masters. Similarly is the bachelor's, just that the duration is much longer. It may be a 3 or a 4 year degree depending on the country that you're going in for. But ideally, you're studying these things. You're studying different languages which are required to produce the game. You're studying different testing options. You're studying different business options. And of course, you're studying the creative aspect about how to design the game. So, gaming, as you would understand from this, requires you to be someone who's very interested in, say, the software engineering or the game development part, the design part, and of course the AR and VR part. So this is where you could be considering this as your career path. Now coming back, or now introducing you to which are the countries which can offer you this career path or the study path. So in this case, I have top 5 countries which I have listed down for you, which are really good for the opportunities that you're looking out for gaming. The first and the foremost, America. Yes, it's the founder and also the, I would say, the big father in this industry, the big daddy in this industry. So saying this, if you name, most of the top gaming companies are existing in US. Similarly, there are other countries which follow the trend and have really good opportunities for you. Australia, UK, Germany, and Sweden. So these are top 5 countries which can definitely offer you a master's or a bachelor's in the gaming industry. Okay. Now, after you have done your bachelor's or master's, you typically may ask or seek, what are the kind of job potential that I have for it? Yes, you have. So in this case, if you're looking out for a job potential, in this case, you could be looking as a game developer, you could be a game tester, you could be a game influencer, you could also be a game strategist. So there are a lot of potential avenues which you're looking out for. You could be a AI VR, an AI also in gaming. That could also be an artificial intelligence area. It could also be augmented reality or VR in gaming. So there are varied opportunities that you're looking out after a job, after a degree in gaming. Typical salaries after that. So say if you're starting a starting point, a person with a 0 or a 2 years experience may look out at a salary of $65,000 to $80,000 yearly. If you have 2+ years of experience, may that not be in gaming but say in computers or design or whatever per se, and you are 2 to 5 years of experience, in this case you could look out around 80,000 to $120,000, and above that it's $120,000 and plus that. So saying this, it's equally payable, it's equally rewarding, and hence a lot of students or parents having a doubt on whether gaming is a good potential career path or not, it definitely is. Yes, I agree, a lot of parents worry about kids wasting a lot of time in the games, but trust me, parents, this is the path ahead. And how much ever we don't like or we dislike it, gaming has come everywhere. Just to give you an example about me having my daughter and we going to a play area, the play area had everything, a lot of games which were there for a 7-year-old toddler. Everything had a prompt whether you want this or that. Saying this, even a 7-year or a 5-year old have things on iPad which really are there for them, which comes from a gaming industry. So saying this, it has seeped in. But yes, it can have an edge to it. Everything done in balance is right. So is the gaming industry. So saying this, yes, gaming has come very far and it is yet to achieve its peak. Saying this is the opportunity. A lot of you ask me, ki, what is a growing area? What is an area which will pay you very well? This is the industry which will pay you very well, I feel. One of the industry, of course. So saying this, if you are someone who's looking out, who really love about gaming, who loves being, curious about how the games are made, this could be a very potential career path for you. In this case, there are a lot of things which I potentially want to, you should be exploring about different universities in this area. What are the different, university fees for this? So I have all that I have listed down in a PDF, and we have made an entire research on gaming industry, which definitely will be a starting point for you to decide whether this is a career path for you or not. For that, you can download the PDF that I've made already and you can venture out. After that, you may have more queries, more dilemmas, your questions, your parents having doubts about this. This is exactly where Education Street comes in picture. We are counselors helping you out to choose your path. We are not somewhere where we are recruiting you and putting you into a mold already, which most are working, or picking you up for some universities which are actually giving us the commercials and benefit. We work for you, and that's exactly what we are trying to showcase, a career path which could definitely resonate to your career choices. So if that's the case, download the PDF, read it, get in touch with us, and we would love to take you further on this journey. Thank you so much, and keep watching Education Street for all your career choices. Thank you so much.